well, I'm getting ready to do some of the finish up, the last of the lathe work on the cross shafts, and I need to take it down 100 thou. Dimension's not critical, I just need to get it down around 1.4. I'm going to be using 2 different cutters, and it's kind of surprising. The finishes I've been getting, both roughing and feed rate, are like what I've been seeing other people get, and so it's kind of like, holy cow, I'm not used to that. So, I mean, if I want a nice finish, I've been having to sand the hell out of it. So, been pretty pleased with that, so I'm trimming it up, putting the 45-degree chamfers on this end. So I'll cut this down to size, I'll do the chamfers, I'll do the cleanup work with the sanding grit here, because that cleans it up, makes it look a little nicer without taking as much off as I would have to with the insert. And then I'll flip it over and I'll do the chamfers on the other side and make sure that the shaft there is good to go. So feed rate wise, let's see here. I'm going to be running this one before I get it turned on, try to talk over it. Running this at 755. I'm not sure what the insert is. It's a medium insert, roughing insert. I'm not positive on that. I know the other one's a finish insert. And this one's running at D4. I'm running at 9 thou, 9.1 thou per revolution for the roughing. And then when I put it down, I'll be running at 4.6 thou per revolution. So 0.0046. And both finishes come out beautiful. I could stay with the roughing one, but the grooving, the texture, blah blah blah. Let's do this. And that was a 30 thou depth of cut with so 60 thou off the diameter. And like I said, I could easily live with that. That's freaking gorgeous. Shouldn't have that much to go, but anyway. Now I'm pulling it out a little just to give myself a little bit more space when this gets to the end on the roughing pass. But I do try to get this engaged, get it centered up in case there's any change down here. So give it a little bit more tension, lock that up. Let's put the roughing one back in. Change our speed, change our feed rate. That should do. No complaints. Turn the feed rate down, turn the RPMs up. I'm doing the touch off close to the edge here when I do the chamfer. If I overcut this, when I do the chamfer, that'll disappear. Yeah, that's nice. Off to do the chamfers.